Hi everyone, I'm Dimitri with DIY Credit, and in today's video, I want to show you guys how to properly tackle being a victim of identity theft and how to remove the items from your credit report within 30 to 45 days, guaranteed. So let's get into it. So I have a lot of clients that come into our program that they have been a victim of identity theft. And even before even actually being a victim of identity theft, I'll use myself as an example. Like I get notifications like at least every other month that like my information is on the dark web and this, that, and the other. And it can be overwhelming at many points in time. So if you are a victim of identity theft and you've actually had your information stolen, it's been used to purchase something or open up a new account or something that you did not agree to, here's exactly what you need to do. And this is something that unfortunately in the United States, many Americans have to experience, unfortunately. In fact, it's millions of Americans experience this every single year. So this is the correct way to go about approaching this, right? I also want to caveat this by saying, if you're not a victim of identity theft, do not use this tool to your benefit, because if you do it and you weren't a victim of this and you're just trying to get a negative item deleted, you can get a lot of trouble. I mean, you can go ahead and Google different articles of people that have been doing this, but if you are a victim of identity theft, please do it this specific way and you're going to be in the clear. So if, let's say for instance, if your score has been affected by identity theft, or you just haven't looked at your credit report in a while and you signed up for our do-it-yourself credit repair, DIYcredit.ai, and we sent you your report, you see all your items, you're like, damn, well, I don't remember getting a car last year, or I don't remember opening a credit card last year. This is how you go about doing it. So step one, you're gonna go ahead and call your local police department. You don't have to go ahead and go in there. You call your local police department and say, hey, I've been a victim of identity theft. This is the account, this is the account number, this is my name, such and such, whatever. Typically, I've seen that you'll get the report within 1 to 2 weeks, sometimes sooner, sometimes later, sometimes it's by mail, sometimes it's by email. I don't know how your local police department operates, so you will receive it. I don't know if it's gonna be mail or email, but you wanna stay on top of it. You wanna make sure that whoever it is that you spoke to, you want to go ahead and write it down, and you wanna be in a position where you can follow up and receive that. So once you have the police report in hand, here's what you do. You're gonna file a dispute with the FTC. You're gonna then, on step 3, go on dispute with the credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can file a dispute online with them, but compound that by sending in a physical dispute with a copy of the police report to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. You can do so on our software that we've created for you guys. You can do it there. It has a section where you can upload the police report. If not, you can call us and we'll do it for you. We'll help you out. No harm, no foul. So once you go ahead and do that, the item or items in question should and they will be deleted within 30 to 45 days if these steps are done the specific way that I'm telling you how to do them. So once again, don't do this, guys. If these accounts are valid, you can get a lot of trouble for it. But if you are a victim of identity theft, I want to give you guys the tools that you need to succeed so that you're not in this situation anymore, because there shouldn't be a situation where you guys are running through hoops and you're not sure where to go on something that wasn't your fault. So it's important for me to send out videos like this all the time so that you guys are equipped with the proper tools that you need to put yourself in a position where you don't have to deal with this again. And then after that, you can put a credit freeze on your profile. You can put a credit block. There's all kinds of things that you can do to mitigate being a victim. But the first step is obviously having these items removed. But then the second step is having yourself in a position where you don't have to deal with this again. So if it happens once, we cannot let it happen again. But if it happens twice, it's surely gonna happen a third, fourth, and fifth time. So, if you're a victim of identity theft, please adhere to this feedback that I'm giving you. Put yourself in a position where you can start winning. And for the most part, the biggest thing in all this is just looking at your credit report. For those of you that know your credit just sucks and you don't know where to start, look at it. And if you see things on there that don't belong to you, follow these steps. Put yourself in a position where you're being proactive. And if you still don't know what to do, you can hire us. We have the do-it-yourself credit repair platform, or we have the full service that we can upsell you as well, where you don't have to take care of any of these things. It's as simple as a police report. It's as simple as mailing something in, and it's as simple as getting it deleted within 30 to 45 days. So I hope this information helps. If, let's say, you're not a victim of identity theft, but you have a friend or a family member or a significant other that, let's say, for instance, was, send them this video. It might change their lives, and maybe they'll be in a position with their credit in the future that this video helped them, be able to purchase a car or open a credit card or things of that nature. So make sure to like and subscribe these videos. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys next time.